Hi, my name is Jessica Hanson.
I'm James Johnson-Pyatt.
Jeff Buffum. I'm a certified financial planner and wealth management advisor.
I am a real estate agent here in New York City.
Principal and CEO of Urbane.
About 5 or 6 years ago, I was deciding that I wanted to create an S corporation for my company because it was kind of getting bigger and bigger and I needed to manage it. And some friends recommended Bob Russo to us. So we met with Bob Russo and Suzy Gao, and we've been working with them ever since.
Bob and Suzy both are my primary sort of points of focus. Suzy handles our more transactional accounting as needed, and Bob comes in with more strategic value.
I find that Bob and Suzy are more proactive on tax savings and more strategic on tax savings than other accountants. Most accountants seem to just process the information that they give you or that you give them, whereas they proactively ask questions about what you may or may not be doing that you can proactively do to reduce taxes today and down the road.
And both Bob and Suzy work so well together. They know everything backward and forward. They know what it takes to kind of maximize what you have with your business, but also help you understand. You know, that's not my area of expertise, but it's theirs. So I feel like I'm fully in their hands and I trust them.
Bob has brought a ton of strategic value to our business. He's focused really on helping us structure both our tax and frankly our legal infrastructure, given the amount of companies that we have under one umbrella, to make sure that we're getting the maximum tax benefits going forward with what we're doing, making sure that we're aligned around understanding the different opportunities around sort of smart accounting, bookkeeping, really structuring our back of house and our operations in a way that makes a lot of sense. So it's beyond just simply being a straight accountant. It really has been a strategic sort of partner in helping us grow and think about what we want to do in the future.
So Bob knows tax law and can quote tax law and interesting nuance to tax law and new things that have come up in tax law better than probably anyone else I've ever experienced.
Whether you're a startup or whether you're thinking about sort of growing from, small lifestyle business, something a little more robust, they really can add that extra oomph, both in terms of your systems, making sure that you have the right accounting and tax systems to be able to do that appropriately, with integrity. I think one thing that we don't think about a lot is just how much integrity that these folks have at Russo.
Couldn't recommend Bob and Suzy highly enough. They're great people, they have a great team, they're on top of it, they're responsive, and they've been good to me and my clients, so would highly recommend them to anyone who's considering using them.
Whether you're a multi-million-dollar company, a startup, or anywhere in between, I cannot recommend Russo CPA high enough. They've been helping us grow from strength to strength for years.
Recently, Bob has become a neighbor of ours, so we bumped into him at a restaurant, and it's nice to see that he has a social life too. So he's an active bicyclist, and he's an engaging individual all around, and we're just so pleased that we managed to find Bob Russo and Suzy Gao and to work with them.